Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Chat GPT conversation. So what you can do is if you're using the application version of Chat GPT, you can essentially go through and you can click on the top three dots right up here. So you can click on the two-line menu right up here, and if you go ahead, you can go ahead and try to find a little option basically like this. So you want to go ahead and find your chats that you have on the left side, and there will probably be a ton of chats. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and basically hold down on this chat just like this. When you do that, not only is it going to prompt open the chat box, but it's also going to give you a few options towards the bottom that are going to allow you to share those chats. So what you can do is you can go ahead and click on share chats like this, and it will allow you to share a link to this chat that you basically just been having. So if you're okay with sharing this particular chat, number one, make sure there's not any personal information inside of this chat. Make sure there's nothing inside of this chat that could be considered like personal information, anything like that. And when you're ready, you can click on share link. You can share a link to this chat just like any other chat. So you can copy this link. You can also airdrop it. You can message it to other people, and that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. So at that point, you can share out your link whichever way you want to, and that's basically how you do it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.